Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. In this video, we're going to check the charging time of the Moto G5 Plus. So I've discharged the phone completely and it has this feature in which it shuts off at 2% battery left. So that is to prevent the battery from getting too deeply discharged. So I have connected the supplied turbocharger and it goes up to 12 volts and it works at 9 volts and 5 volts also. But this phone, as I have already checked, only charges at 9 volts, so that is quick charge 2.0, whereas at 12 volts is quick charge 3.0. so this is the charger and I have this device connected here where you will be able to see the voltage, and there is a stop clock over here. It will show the voltage and the amps which are being pushed into the phone. I have connected the supplied USB cable and let's start. So I'm going to switch it on and I'm going to start the stop clock also. So as you can see, it's started at 5 volts and you get the charging symbol over here, but it has shifted to 9 volts and 1.6 amps almost. So it's going to start charging from 2% and we'll have a look how long does it take to charge from 2% to 100%. The battery capacity of the phone is 3000 mAh. So guys, the phone is fully charged now from 2% to 100%. It has taken 1 hour and 41 minutes for it to charge, and this was the first charge. Like, I discharged the phone after just unboxing it to 2%, and then this is the first time I'm charging the phone. I think these times might come down a little bit in future as the battery is calibrated, so still it's a very good time. So it does support turbocharging, and you could have seen the amperes falling down as the phone was getting charged. So I think it charged really fast up to almost 90%, and after that it slowed down a little bit. So I think the performance is really good in the charging department. So suppose you have 10 to 15 minutes in between work, or just before you leave the house and you forgot to charge your phone, and you have just 15-20 minutes, the phone will take enough charge for you to last through the day. And while charging, the phone did not heat up that much. I did take a picture with the thermal camera and I saw the temperature. It was about 43 degrees Celsius, and even the charger did not heat up that much. So everything is good. It is warm to touch while charging, but nothing to be worried about that the phone is getting too much heated while charging. There are no such issues. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.